How did the deadliest venomous lizard in America unintentionally become Hollywood's biggest weight loss trend? It didn't start in a high-tech lab. It started in a desert sand. This is the mind-blowing science of the Gila Monster.
Deep in the Sonora Desert, a brightly colored tank crawls through the sand, spending 90% of its life underground. Meet the Gila Monster, the only venomous lizard native to the United States. Its skin is an armor of osteoderms, tiny bones embedded within its scales, forming a protective coat of mail. Those bright colors aren't for show. It is an evolutionary warning to desert predators. I am toxic. Using its tongue, it samples the air, tracking chemical trails left by rodent nests in the sand. It hunts underground, invading the burrows of desert mice and quail nests. It consumes up to 30% of its body weight invading the burrows of desert mice and quail nests, storing excess fat in its thick tail. This massive storage capability allows it to survive for months underground without eating. But when it finds active prey, it deploys a devastating bite that is nearly impossible to break. Unlike snakes that strike and let go, Gila monsters clamp down and hang on like a pit bull. Its teeth are grooved. Gila monsters do not inject venom. Instead, they chew to float in. The chewing motion stimulates venom glands in the lower jaw, releasing a toxic saliva cocktail. The venom flows along the tooth grooves, capillary action pulling it deep into the wound. The bite is incredibly painful, designed to deter predators rather than hunt large prey. For decades, this venom was feared. But inside this toxic cocktail lay a medical miracle. In the 1990s, scientists began analyzing the molecular structure of Gila monster saliva. Exenatide 4 behaves almost identically to human GLP-1, a hormone that regulates insulin and hunger. They discovered a unique peptide, a hormone they named Exenatide 4. The Gila monster's version, Exendin 4, is far tougher. It resists enzymes and lasts for hours. But human GLP-1 is incredibly fragile. Enzymes destroy it in your blood in just 2 minutes. This durability was the key. By mimicking Exendin 4, scientists could manage type 2 diabetes. In 2005, the FDA approved WITA, a synthetic version of the lizard's hormone. This paved the way for semaglutide, known today under the brand names Ozempic and Wegovy. Semaglutide binds to receptors, slowing down the stomach's emptying rate. By slowing digestion, it makes you feel full far longer, reducing calorie intake. More importantly, it targets the brain's hypothalamus, turning off constant hunger signals. This dampens food noise, the constant mental chatter and cravings for high-sugar foods. The results were so dramatic that semaglutide quickly swept through global medical and weight loss industries. Manufacturing plants struggled to keep up, with the soaring global demand for Ozempic. Yet while human medicine is transformed, the source of this miracle is fighting for its own survival. The Gila monster spends over 90% of its life underground in burrows, hiding from the extreme heat. In the wild, its slow lifestyle means its metabolic rate is one of the lowest in the animal kingdom. Because they are solitary and territorial, encounters between two gecko monsters can lead to intense wrestling matches. They do not use their venomous teeth on each other. Instead, they engage in a test of pure physical strength, pushing and arching their bodies. The dominant lizard claims the rock, displaying its warning colors to signify ownership of the territory. The submissive lizard retreats, avoiding further conflict and leaving the territory to the victor. To reinforce its claim, the Gila monster marks the borders with scent glands, located on its head and neck. Its hunting behavior is highly methodical, seeking out nests of rodents hidden under desert brush. Its powerful front legs and claws make quick work of these protective stick barricades. Once it catches the prey, it holds it in a vice grip, allowing its venom to flow into the bite channel. Females lay up to 12 eggs deep in the sand, leaving them to hatch in the autumn sun. Hatchlings are born fully formed and venomous, ready to face the harsh desert floor. Instinct guides them. They hunt insects immediately to build fat reserves for their first winter. Today, urban expansion and highway traffic are major threats to their native desert habitat. Gila monsters are protected by law. In Arizona, killing or capturing them carries heavy criminal penalties. By protecting this species, we protect the evolutionary library that holds potential medical breakthroughs. Without the Gila monster, the secrets of Exendin 4 and semaglutide might have remained undiscovered. From the Sonora sands to global pharmaceutical plants, nature's engineering continues to shape human health. The Gila monster is a testament to the incredible, life-saving secrets hidden in the animal kingdom. Which biological weapon system should we decode next? Let us know in the comments below.